Let's do this. I am insane. Like, hello. Hello out there in TV land. I'm so lame, I'm sorry. Today I am going to be doing a full face of Fenty. Almost. Pretty much a full face of Fenty. I just got some new products, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So we're just gonna jump right on in because y'all know my videos be hella long for no reason. So the first thing I got was the Precision makeup sponge. That's what the box looks like. That's what the back looks like, if you can even see that. So yeah, this was, let me tell you guys prices and everything because the bitch got a receipt because I'm a real YouTuber. This sponge was $16. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what it looks like. It comes in like some plastic packaging, and then just open that, and this is what it looks like. It's so little. It has like a flat side on this side right here, and then like a rounded bottom. So I'm really excited to try this sponge. I've heard a lot about it. Some people say they like it. I've heard that, I'm sorry, let me sit up. I'm hella slouching. My shirt says, but first coffee. Can you see that? My life. That was irrelevant, that was so random, so irrelevant. Anyways, but I've heard a lot about this. I've heard a lot of people say that once you like use it a few times and you get it dirty, it's better than when you first use it. It is pretty soft. Where's my beauty blender? Okay, so here's my beauty blender and here's this, and they're both dry obviously. So this is a lot smaller. Well, it's not a lot smaller, but it's smaller than the beauty blender. Please excuse my beauty blender, I just used it last night, that's why it's dirty. In terms of softness, the beauty blender is softer, but this one is like a hair more firm, you know what I mean? So it feels good, it feels soft, so I think I'm gonna like it. And I like the shape of it actually. It's like perfect for like under eye concealer right here because this top is flat as opposed to pointy. So it just seems like it would get underneath the eye really well. So I'm really excited to use this. The next thing I got from Fenty was this Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I got the mini one. That's what the packaging looks like, and then that's the front of the box. So yeah, I got the mini one. So this was $16 as well, I think. Yeah, this was $16 too. So let me open it and show you guys what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, I love mini things. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a little bottle. Looks exactly like the full-size one with the little pump and everything. So yeah, I'm very excited to use this. This is soft matte, and I have oily skin, so this is perfect for me. I really needed a new primer anyway, so I'm really hoping that this helps control my oils because, girl, lately my skin has been so oily. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, like I go to the restroom at work and it's just like oil slick. I'm like, what is it? Like, what's really good here? Not the point. So the last thing I got was the thing that I'm most excited about, and the thing that you guys have probably seen like a million videos on. I'm very late, but would it really be me if I wasn't late? So it's this Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. So that's what that looks like. And I got the color Caramel Cutie. And I was gonna get the one darker than this. I don't remember what that was called, mocha something maybe, don't quote me on that. But I was gonna get that one, but I was like, that might be just a little bit too deep. So I ended up getting this one. This packaging is everything and then some. Like, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. And then you open it and it comes with a little plastic, if I can get it open, comes with a little plastic insert inside, of course, and then it has a mirror inside, so that's good. And then that's the color of it. So yeah, that's the color in comparison to my skin. It looks a little bit lighter on camera. It doesn't really smell like anything, but yeah, I'm really excited to use this. So this was really the inspiration for this entire video, and I wanted to get a new sponge and I never tried this one, so I wanted to try it, and I heard people that liked it, like I said. And then like I said, I needed a new primer. So I was like, hey, I have all this Fenty Beauty stuff. Why not do a full face of Fenty? So that's why I'm here. Oh, I didn't tell you how much the bronzer was. The bronzer was $30. So I got these 3 things together, and these 3 were $66 altogether after taxes, $62 before taxes. So that's pretty normal, like Sephora, you know, 3 things, 66 bucks is actually pretty cheap for Sephora. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing, like I said, a full face of Fenty. The only thing that I don't have Fenty related is eyebrow gel, mascara, and highlighter, which I know I suck. They have highlighters, I just don't have any. So my face is clean and moisturized. I just washed it, moisturize it, all that good stuff. So we can just go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to take the Pro Filter, actually the Instant Retouch Primer, Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Long ass name, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna shake it. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it, but I'm just gonna take a pump on my hand. Oh, okay, that was like, oh. It's like, it has like this pinkish tinge to it. On camera, can you see that? It has like a pink tinge to it. So I'm just gonna take this and put it right in this area where I get the most oily on my forehead. And it does have a little bit of a scent, but nothing crazy. It's very subtle. I'm gonna put that in. And instantly it does seem like it's going to be mattifying. Ooh. It makes your skin feel nice. Ooh, it makes your skin feel really nice. My skin feels really soft after putting that on. And let's hope it does actually keep me matte, like I said. But yeah, I like the way my skin feels after putting that on. So we're gonna move right on. Actually, I feel like I should put a little bit more on, so I'm going to. There's like a half a pump more. I'm gonna work that into like the rest of my face. This stuff is like weird, like how like a weird consistency, like you don't have to work it in too much. Like as soon as you start rubbing it in, it's gone. But yeah. All right, so that's that on that. I feel like it did fill in my pores a little bit, and it's gonna kind of like blur them out, so that's a plus. So I did wet the sponge, and it did expand, and it's so soft. Like now that it's wet, it was soft before it was wet, but now that it's wet, it's soft. So yeah, I can't stop squishing it. I like it. It does smell a little bit weird. I don't know why I'm smelling everything today, but it does smell a little bit weird. But I'm of course going to go in with my Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation from Fenty. I have mine in the color 390, which I'm pretty sure is my summer shade. So it might be a little bit dark, but don't judge. So I'm just gonna take this, shake it up, and then just go ahead and start applying. Wasting no time today. And then I don't know if I should use this part for my foundation or for my concealer, or maybe I can use it for both. I don't even know, but I'm just gonna go ahead in with the sponge. Maybe I should use this back part. I'll start with the back part and try and save the other part for my concealer. And yeah, this foundation is pretty orange, so I guess I do need a winter shade because I'm definitely not this color right now, but it's okay. For the sake of this video, we'll make it work. Oh. I looked at myself in the viewfinder like, oh shit. Oh. So now we have our foundation on, and let me see. The primer So yeah, the primer did hide my pores a little bit. Like everything went on nicely where I put the primer. I have no complaints about that, and I definitely don't look oily yet, so that's good. So we're just gonna keep on moving. Next I have the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I have mine in the color 380. I feel like I could go down a shade in both of these products. I feel like I should be 380 in this and 370 in this, but it's what it is. So I'm just gonna take this and put it underneath my eyes. I like this color is fine. I just want a little bit more of a highlight because when I blend it out, usually it just looks like my skin, you know what I mean? Like it's not really like highlighting, but that's all right. So I'm now going to take the flat part of the sponge, that part right there, and go ahead and blend this out. I'm not gonna let it sit just because I don't want to. Okay, yeah. I can see what people mean by like, once you get it dirty, it'll work better. The sponge is just okay the first time that I'm using it. So yeah, like I said, the sponge is just okay. It's nothing to like rant and rave about, but it's not the worst sponge I've ever used. You guys hear the dogs in my neighborhood barking? Like, for what? For what? And then I'm next gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the color Cashew. And just gonna put this everywhere I put that concealer. That was so much powder. It doesn't even look like I have a nose. On camera, I look like a fucking who. Like, that is hilarious. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust all this off and just like lightly dust my face with just like the tiniest bit of that powder to set the foundation. All right. So we're looking pretty good. I feel like my edges look crazy. Yeah, my edges do look crazy, but that's okay. This video is not about my edges, so mind your business. Okay, so now the moment we've all been waiting for, which is the Fenty Beauty, bruh, that would have been so bad, which is the bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this with this Sonia Kasha tapered finishing brush. I like to use this for my bronzer because I just do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap into it. I don't know how much I what? I don't know how much I should or shouldn't take because I don't know how pigmented this is. I did watch videos, like reviews on it, but I don't remember. So I'm just gonna take that and put that where I usually bronze. I feel like this bronzer is a little bit too light for me, but I like it. I'm gonna take it on this fan contouring brush instead. It's just like a really big, really thick fan brush that's used for contouring. And there we go. I know you guys see this big ass pimple right here, like, for what? Alright, I'm bronzed. I am bronzed. Okay, the bronzer, it's pretty good. I had to build it up a little bit, so that's that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this sponge again and put some of that same cashew powder on it and put it there and there. And there. I just like the way that that makes my face look. Yeah. So, yeah. And then I'm just gonna dust it away right away. So I'm back. I finished the rest of my face and I just wanted to come back and give you guys my final thoughts on everything that I bought. Like I said, this sponge is just okay. I will keep using it. Like I said, I keep seeing reviews that say when you keep using it and like once you use it after you've gotten it dirty and there's product in there, it's a little bit better. So I'm gonna keep using this and I'll keep you guys updated on whether or not I like it. As of now, it's okay. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Probably just spend the extra $4 to get a beauty blender. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. And then this primer, I do look pretty matte. So that's good. I would really only, you know, be able to give a full review after I've worn this makeup for a while, but just like my initial thought, it's pretty good. It makes my skin look smooth, and yeah, so this is okay. And then the last thing is the bronzer, of course, which I do like this bronzer. I like the way that it looks. It went on fine. I used it as eyeshadow as well, which you probably can't tell because it's just like super simple, super natural, but it's kind of hard to screw up a bronzer. So this is just like, you know, it's bronzer. It's a Fenty bronzer, so it's cool. I really like this packaging. So yeah, I like the fact that it has a mirror in it and it's super cute. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video on this full face of Fenty, minus a few things. And if you guys want more of these kind of like full face of a one brand, you know, kind of videos, just let me know down below. And I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Deuces. Alrighty, I am back and whew. Excuse me, my uterus is kicking my ass today. That's not what this video is about, so that was irrelevant. Hear that? Ow, back. Get this pillow. Whew. Oh, fucked up my backdrop. When you're old and you need a pillow for your back.